Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike. We're about to embark on a fascinating journey today, exploring the world of natural remedies. For centuries, cultures across the globe have relied on the power of herbs for their health and well-being. And let me tell you, modern science is catching up, validating many of these traditional uses. Now, I'm not saying to ditch your prescriptions and head for the forest, but incorporating certain herbs into your routine can be a great way to supplement your health journey. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or simply add a little pep in your step, there's likely an herb out there for you. Over the next few videos, we'll be diving deep into 15 powerful herbs that you should definitely know about. We'll be talking about their benefits, the science behind them, and of course, any precautions you should be aware of. Remember, even natural remedies can have interactions or side effects, so it's always best to consult with your doctor before adding something new to your routine. So, are you ready to unlock the power of nature's medicine cabinet? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a familiar friend, mint. You know it, you love it, especially in that mojito, right? But beyond its refreshing flavor, mint packs a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. We've all reached for a mint after a meal to freshen breath. But did you know that it can actually aid digestion? Mint can help soothe the muscles in your digestive tract, easing bloating, gas, and indigestion. It's like a gentle massage for your gut. And if you're prone to tension headaches, mint might just be your new best friend. The menthol in mint has analgesic properties, meaning it can help relieve pain. Studies have shown that applying peppermint oil topically can be as effective as some over-the-counter pain relievers. But wait, there's more. Mint can also improve mental alertness and memory. So next time you're feeling sluggish, try sipping on some mint tea or chewing on a few leaves. It might just give you the boost you need. Next up, we're traveling to the vibrant spice markets of India to explore the golden wonder that is turmeric. This spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, is not just for flavor. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and modern science backs it up. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to be incredibly effective in reducing inflammation throughout the body. This is especially beneficial for conditions like arthritis, where inflammation plays a major role in joint pain and stiffness. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This translates to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. And for those of you who love to prioritize skin health, turmeric is a game changer. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help reduce acne, brighten skin tone, and even minimize the appearance of scars. Talk about a natural beauty secret. All right, let's talk about mullein, an often overlooked herb that's been used for centuries, particularly for respiratory health. You see, mullein is known for its ability to soothe the throat, which is why it's often found in herbal teas and lozenges designed to combat coughs and irritation. But mullein's benefits go beyond just soothing. This powerful herb also possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and irritation in the airways. This makes it particularly helpful for those dealing with conditions like bronchitis, where inflammation plays a significant role. And if you're struggling with mucus buildup, mullein can be your new best friend. It actually helps to thin the mucus, making it easier to cough up and clear out of your system. This can be a game changer if you're feeling congested or dealing with a stubborn cough. Just remember, like with any herbal remedy, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before incorporating mullein into your routine, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions. Now let's dive into the world of stinging nettle, an herb that might sound intimidating, but packs a serious nutritional punch. I know, the name stinging nettle doesn't exactly scream health food, but trust me, this plant is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your body in surprising ways. One of the standout features of stinging nettle is its anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is a key factor in managing a wide range of health concerns, from joint pain to skin conditions. But that's not all. Stinging nettle is also a friend to your urinary tract. it can help support healthy urinary flow and may even be beneficial for those dealing with mild urinary tract issues. And if you're someone who suffers from seasonal allergies, you might find relief with stinging nettle. It's believed to have antihistamine properties that can help reduce allergy symptoms like sneezing, itching, and watery eyes. As always, it's best to talk to your doctor before adding any new herbs to your regimen, especially if you're on medication or have pre-existing health conditions. Let's move on to fenugreek, an herb that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems, particularly in Ayurvedic and Chinese practices. One of the key benefits of fenugreek is its ability to support healthy digestion. It contains compounds that can help soothe the digestive tract, reduce bloating and gas, and even promote regular bowel movements. So if you're prone to digestive discomfort, fenugreek might be worth exploring. But fenugreek's talents don't stop at digestion. This versatile herb has also been linked to improved blood sugar control. Studies suggest that it may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential natural aid for those managing diabetes or looking to support healthy blood sugar balance. And if you're dealing with inflammation, fenugreek might be able to lend a helping hand. It possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially easing symptoms associated with conditions like arthritis. Of course, before you start incorporating fenugreek into your diet, it's always a good idea to have a chat with your healthcare provider, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications. Rosemary, you know it, you love it, especially if you're a fan of delicious roasted potatoes. But did you know this aromatic herb is more than just a kitchen staple? It's packed with health benefits too. We often use rosemary to add flavor to savory dishes, but its distinct aroma also comes with a potent punch of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that help protect our bodies against cell damage. And that's not all. Rosemary has been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. So if you're feeling forgetful, adding a sprig of rosemary to your meals might give your brain a little boost. Some studies suggest that rosemary might even promote hair growth. While more research is needed, there's anecdotal evidence that rosemary oil, when massaged into the scalp, could help stimulate hair follicles. Now, I'm not saying ditch your dermatologist-recommended hair loss treatments, but hey, incorporating rosemary into your routine certainly can't hurt, right? Remember, always consult with your doctor before trying new remedies, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. From boosting brain power to potentially promoting hair growth, rosemary is a versatile herb that deserves a prime spot in your kitchen and potentially your medicine cabinet. Next up is basil, another culinary superstar with a secret. It packs some serious health benefits. This fragrant herb, with varieties like sweet basil and Thai basil, is a staple in kitchens around the world. Basil is brimming with antioxidants that can help protect our bodies from damage caused by free radicals. Studies show basil may help lower blood pressure and has anti-inflammatory properties. Basil might also help with stress and has antimicrobial properties. So, whether you're adding it to pasta or brewing tea, basil adds flavor and health benefits. Let's move on to a spice that often gets overlooked, nutmeg. You might only think of nutmeg around the holidays, but this warm and aromatic spice has a lot more to offer. Nutmeg has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science backs up its health claims. It aids digestion and soothes an upset stomach. Nutmeg is also linked to improved sleep quality. It contains myristicin, which has calming effects. But be cautious. Large quantities can be toxic. Enjoy nutmeg's benefits in moderation. Number 9, we've got St. John's wort, and this one's often talked about for its potential mental health benefits. Now, I'm not saying it's a replacement for traditional treatments, but studies have shown it can be helpful for some people with mild to moderate depression. It's thought to work by increasing certain neurotransmitters in the brain like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. You know, those feel-good chemicals that can really affect our mood. Beyond that, St. John's wort has also been used topically for wound healing. It seems to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help speed up the healing process. Pretty versatile herb, right? But remember guys, always talk to your doctor before taking St. John's wort, especially if you're on any other medications. Next up is hyssop, an herb that has a long history of use for respiratory issues. Think of it like a friend for your lungs. It acts as an expectorant, meaning it helps to loosen up phlegm and mucus in the airways, making it easier to cough it up. If you're struggling with a cough, bronchitis, or even asthma, hyssop might be able to offer some relief. It's also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can further help to calm those irritated airways. But hyssop's benefits don't stop there. It's also thought to support digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices. And some people even use it topically for minor wounds and skin irritations because of its potential antimicrobial effects. As always, it's a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before adding hyssop to your routine, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions. We're moving on to licorice root, a popular herb that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. And no, it won't taste like those black licorice candies. Licorice root is actually known for its naturally sweet flavor, but more importantly, its soothing properties. This herb is a superstar when it comes to digestive issues. It can help to calm an upset stomach, reduce heartburn, and even ease symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. This is because it contains compounds that can help to reduce inflammation in the gut and protect the stomach lining. But here's the interesting part. Licorice root is also believed to have adaptogenic properties, meaning it can help your body cope with stress. It does this by supporting the adrenal glands, which are responsible for managing stress hormones. Of course, moderation is key. Consuming large amounts of licorice root for prolonged periods can lead to side effects, so always talk to your doctor before incorporating it into your diet, especially if you have high blood pressure or heart conditions. All right, moving on to number 12, we've got bladderwrack. Now this one might sound a little strange, I get it. It's a type of seaweed, and you might be thinking, seaweed? Really? But trust me on this one, guys. Bladderwrack is absolutely loaded with essential nutrients, especially iodine, which is crucial for a healthy thyroid. Your thyroid gland plays a major role in regulating your metabolism, and bladderwrack can give it the support it needs to function at its best. But the benefits don't stop there. Bladderwrack also has some pretty impressive anti-inflammatory properties. We're talking about potentially reducing inflammation throughout your body, which can be a game changer for a whole host of health concerns. And for those of you looking to shed a few pounds, some studies suggest that bladderwrack might even help with weight loss. More research is needed, but it's definitely promising. So, don't underestimate the power of the sea, my friends. Bladderwrack might not be as well known as some of the other herbs on this list, but it's definitely one to keep on your radar. Next up is a classic tea. Tea? That's not an herb, that's just tea. But it comes from the Camellia sinensis plant, making it an herb. Tea is enjoyed by millions for a reason. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants. These antioxidants protect your cells and lower disease risk. So next time, consider a nice cup of tea. Hey guys, we're on to our 14th herb. And this one's a personal favorite when I'm feeling like I need a good cleanse. We're talking about burdock, specifically the root. Now, burdock root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It's like a natural detoxifier, working hard to help your body get rid of those unwanted toxins. Think of it as a natural filter for your blood. Burdock root is thought to support liver function, which is key for filtering toxins from your system. And a healthy liver means a happier you. Beyond that, burdock root is also known for its potential benefits for skin health. Some folks use it to help with skin conditions like eczema and acne, thanks to its potential anti-inflammatory properties. Remember, always consult with a dermatologist for those issues. And if you're looking for a natural way to potentially support your liver and give your skin a little love, burdock root could be worth considering. But, as always, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before incorporating any new herbs into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. For our 15th and final herb today, we're diving into the world of wormwood. Now, wormwood might sound a little intense, and it is powerful, but it's been used for centuries, especially for its potential digestive benefits. One of the traditional uses of wormwood is to help stimulate appetite. So, if you're struggling with a loss of appetite, wormwood might be something to consider discussing with your healthcare provider. Additionally, wormwood is often used to help reduce bloating and gas. It's thought to potentially help calm down the digestive system and ease those uncomfortable feelings. Now, wormwood also has a reputation for fighting off parasites, which is where it gets its name. But it's important to use it cautiously and under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as high doses can be toxic. Remember, herbs can be powerful, and it's crucial to treat them with respect. Always consult with your doctor before adding wormwood to your routine, especially if you have any medical conditions or are taking medications. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the world of powerful herbs. We've covered 15 incredible plants, each with its own unique properties and potential health benefits. Remember, incorporating herbs into your wellness routine is a personal journey. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's completely okay. The key is to do your research, listen to your body, and always consult with your healthcare provider before adding anything new to your routine. They can help you determine the right dosage and ensure it won't interact with any medications you're currently taking. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future health tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.